evaluation of waste to energy theory of change and sustainable development goals realization in Ghana low-income communities. So I will look at the introduction, the study objective, the study area, methods, results, conclusion, and recommendation. Yeah, according to the Brundtland Commission, sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. And this equitable balancing of the three major concepts of sustainability, which are environment, social, and economic, are very key when we talk about sustainable development. The management of waste for generation of electricity, which is also known as waste to energy, is one of such developmental projects that aims to achieve a fair balance between environmental and socio-economic development on a sustainable basis. Now, energy recovery from waste can solve two problems at once. Number one, treating non-recyclable and non-reusable amount of energy of waste and generating a significant amount of energy which can be included in the energy production mix. Now, Savisana, there is a project I am working on in Ghana. It operates in the Ashama settlement in Ghana, and it's a circular waste management system that collects organic waste to produce and market clean renewable energy and organic fertilizer. So Ashama is 30 kilometers from Accra and is located in the north of Tema. Their population is over 200,000 people, and they are made up of 24 communities in that Ashama cluster, and they are mostly urban poor, low-income settlement. The municipality faces challenges in the management of their waste, and the community also, like I've said, they are urban poor. Now, for many densely populated settlements, such as the study area, availability of clean and hygienic sanitation, as well as management of solid and waste, liquid waste, pose a huge problem that requires of the study area. And main objective of the study is to just look at the theory of change and the sustainable development goals that are realized with this project within this study area. So Ashama, that's the location there, is located in the north of Tema. The study uses multi-dimensional design, sampling surveys, and baseline data to test the impact of the operation of the waste-to-energy plant on health, economic empowerment, social impact, environmental impact, and the empowerment of the youth. The outcome of this study is expected to guide whether the waste-to-energy plant should be scaled to other regions in Ghana or similar contexts in West Africa. So that's me on the field. And so this shows the 24 communities that were in the Ashama cluster that were interviewed. Most of them are, the larger percentage are females, 53 and 56. They are also rate, although we still have 11.3% non-illiteracy there. Now, from this, just a summary of the people's opinion about the impact of the waste-to-energy plant. And if you see 57.98, saying it's a very high impact. 22.64 say is high impact, some impact. So summarily, the project is of high impact in the study area. Now, this is where I really want to spend time on, because it summarizes the theory of change. And if you look at it, we set out to look at the lack of, the baseline was the lack of improved sanitation facility, poor fecal and organic waste collection, transportation and disposal, non-existence of waste to energy generation, inadequate organic fertilizer production, lack of treatment of wastewater for irrigation, inadequate greenhouse production. So if you look at the activities we set out to do, is to implement a waste to energy factory in Ghana, located at Ashaima municipality. The output, we were able to record improved sanitary condition of the market and slaughterhouses, production of compost fertilizer for urban agriculture, production of clean energy, cultivation of green vegetables. The result, low-income urban community benefiting from the operation of these waste-to-energy plants. And customers are patronizing and buying and recycling the products that we produce at these plants. The outcomes, reduction, there is a drastic level of reduction in the disease prevalence due to access to improved sanitation facilities, improve hygiene condition of the local population through cleaner environments, quality and adequacy of food enhanced through the use of organic fertilizer, improve productions and income by living in healthy and cleaner environment, reduction of carbon dioxide emission by generating clean electricity using biogas instead of fossil fuel, reduction in CO2 emission by using organic fertilizer instead of synthetic fertilizer, transportation to collect waste and distribute recycled product increases, and there is improved soil by the use of organic fertilizer, as well as reduction in the waste going to landfill site. So what are the impacts? The impact cuts across health, food security, increased income, environment, and soil pollution. Now, the global impact, if you want to assess that, which of the SDGs were covered by this operation of this waste-to-energy plant? SDG 13, which is good health and well-being. SDG 5, gender equality. A lot of women have been empowered in this community through this waste-to-energy plant. Then the SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. Then SDG 7, which is our main focus, was affordable and clean energy. Actually, we produce 10 megawatt and is transformed directly to Ghana National Grid. And they are being invoiced every month for what is being sent there. So that is a good one for that plant. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. A lot of people are employed there, either directly or indirectly by the operations. So SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. It is the one of the main waste to energy plants in Ghana that turn waste to energy and resources. The SDG 11 is also met, sustainable city and communities. And lastly, but not least, SDG 8, which is climate action. So this is the theory of change in summary. And if you look at it,
please, can you run?
We want to look at the okay. Let me just go to SDG 7, 9, 11, 12 are the major difference between the MDGs and SDGs. And we see how energy come to be the interplay between the environment, economics, and social. That's the linkage, and that also explain it. I bring profitability through the recovery of waste to energy, and the society are better off, and the environment is cleaner. Now, in conclusion, sustainable energy production and development in an environment friendly manner is a daunting regional to global challenge that needs to be addressed across the ECOWAS and for both industrial and residential use. Sufficient waste to energy solution for renewable energy recovery generation with its environment, economic, and social dimension is recommended as an appropriate waste to energy system that facilitates the desired energy transition. Since waste to energy system facilitate alternative energy supply to both household and industry, enhance circular economic growth, and improve resource efficiency, both national and regional, waste strategy should be collaboratively developed and implemented by relevant stakeholders in Ghana. That is for that plan that I'm working on, and by extension to ECOWAS to accelerate access to sustainable energy and environment for all. Government of ECOWAS should provide enabling environment that attract investors, because this is heavy, it requires a lot of money. But the beauty of the Safisana model is that it has a financing model with it. So if we want to scale it to Nigeria, for example, or Benin Republic or Togo, then we can adopt it because it has an element of financing in the model. So with the ECOWAS, they should encourage and make the environment enabling to attract this investment. Thus, the need to accelerate renewable uptake for sustainable development and production. The following steps, I just try to summarize it before I conclude. C stands for compliance and standard favoring renewable energy. L stands for law for energy storage. E stands for electric grid modernization and transformation. A stands for appropriate energy financing. Then N stands for nationwide support for regional, for renewable energy business. So on this note, I want to thank you for your attention.